Welcome to this week's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over our new off-market listing procedure. So when you are in Paragon and you are at your homepage, you'll see that we have a new button right here. This is our new off-market listing form. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the off-market listing form. You'll also see when you scroll down that we have it posted right here. You can also click on this for the time being. Another way you can get to this form is to go to our public-facing website at crenmls.com, go over to Members, and in the drop menu, click the Off-Market Listings. This will also bring you into the form. This form, you just fill out all the usual information you would, such as your listing agreement, the type of listing you're entering, sold information, and sold documentation. After all of the required information is entered, you can go down here and sign it and submit it through here. And we will receive it and let you know once it's entered. Go in and try it out if you have an off market listing that you're doing here soon. Have a good rest of your week.